Hi guys, welcome back to Valentino TV, and today we're gonna do basics of gel polish application. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna go into depth and detail about gel polish application. So we have an enhancement already done here. We have an acrylic enhancement. Now, the question we get the most, do we base over acrylic, over an enhancement? Do we have to base? The answer is no. You don't have to base. You just have to make sure that you have a proper cleaning, a proper prep before applying your gel polish. Now, what this means is you have to make sure that your client washes her hands with a non-lotion, non-moisturizer type of soap. That's very important. The only thing we have to make sure is that we have no type of oils on it. And that's it. So now I am going to grab my lint-free wipe. I like to do it in a teepee, kind of, that way I get all my little crevices. Now I'm cleaning the nail surface, making sure I remove any type of oil if there were any. Now, after I do this, I cannot touch the nail surface at all because I'm gonna transfer oils back from my hands to the nail surface. Now I'm using the number 3 from Valentino, and it's a dark maroonish or burgundy-ish color. Now, this is also very important. When you grab gel polish applicator, the lid, out of the gel polish bottle, you have to make sure that you clean the part that holds the bristles together. Because if this has a lot of gel polish, it will eventually come down with gravity and you're gonna have too much gel polish on top of the nail surface, therefore creating a thick application, and you'll get a lot of wrinkling and bubbling when you cure. So make sure you clean that perfectly. Almost nothing on your brush. And if you see it dripping down or coming down, go ahead and clean it. Now, I'm going to secure my cuticle area with the tip of the brush. There's a little lint right here. Make sure you take it out. There we go. Gel is like a lint magnet. So now you guys see, basically, my application is almost translucent. I secure the perimeter around my cuticle. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going straight down. Now, if I feel that I need a little bit more, I just grab a little dab from the edge of the bottle and I apply. So there's no need for you to go ahead and dip in your brush all the way down, grabbing too much gel polish. Now, before I cure my first layer, I am going to go around the cuticle area with a thin brush. So let's make sure that our cuticle area looks nice and even, very nice, very clean, as deep as we can go. That will also give it more longevity at the time of the fill service, because you guys went so deep in that it doesn't look like it needs a fill for over 3 weeks. We're gonna cure that for 30 seconds. Our gel polishes have a high concentration of pigment, so basically it's almost raw. Therefore, you don't need too much product. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my second coat, and there we have a nice rich color. It looks beautiful. So make sure you cap your edges with color. Now, if you have anything around the sides, clean it before you cure it. You don't want your client to run around with gel polish all over her fingers. Okay. So I hope I helped clarify some doubts about gel polish application. Thanks for watching.